Hi, this is Skid Kelly, and I'm here with my mascot Vexman to show how a multimeter can be used to find the values for the batteries used to power your Vex robot, and how to check if an electrical current can flow from one side of your motor extension wire to the other. The three batteries used to power your Vex robot are the main 7.2 volt nickel metal hydrate battery pack used to power the robot's microcontroller. The 1.2 volt metal hydride AAA battery used in the Cortex system's joystick, and the 9 volt backup battery for the Cortex microcontroller. The Vex design system also has some older nickel cadmium batteries that are not shown here, but still can be checked with a multimeter. A multimeter cannot be used to check the capacity of a battery. In other words, how much energy is stored in the battery. But it can be used to measure the battery's voltage, and that will let you know if the battery has been discharged. Let's start by turning the multimeter on. For the multimeter being used in this video, this is done by sliding the switch to the capital V to check voltage. Here, let me help you, Vexman. This multimeter automatically switches between AC alternating current and DC direct current. Some multimeters have a dial, and you need to turn it to the DC voltage. Most multimeters have a black and a red probe. With some multimeters, you need to plug the black probe into the common ground and the red probe into the socket marked for voltage. To measure a main battery's voltage, touch the red probe to the terminal attached to the red wire of the battery pack and the black probe to the other terminal. This battery's voltage is measuring 7.75. A reading of 7.2 or above indicates a charge battery. Below 6.5 volts is a low battery, and below 5.5 volts, the battery is considered dead. To measure the voltage of a AAA battery, touch the red probe to the button on the positive end and anywhere on the metal of the negative end. This battery is reading 1.3 volts. 1.2 volts or above is a charge battery. Below 1 volt is a low battery, and below 0.9 volts is considered a dead battery. To measure a 9 volt battery, touch the red probe to the positive snap side and the black probe to the socket. This battery is reading 9.3 volts. You should always use a fully charged backup battery on your robot. Thanks for the motor extension wire, Vexman. But are you sure that's a good wire? To check if a motor extension wire will conduct electricity from end to end, the setting on the multimeter will need to be changed. Set it to the continuity selection. Once the setting on the multimeter has been changed to continuity, simply touch one probe to one end of the wire and the other probe to the other end. If a beep is sounded, electricity is flowing through the wire. Hopefully these tips on how to use a multimeter will lead you to having a winning robot.